afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to cover the PowerBoss Nautilus Hi Dump, and we'll go over some of the similar features that the low dump version has as well. First thing I'm going to cover on this machine is the engine compartment. Our unit's a little bit dirty. She's got about 1,000 hours on her. This is one of our rental machines. But all of the internal combustion, LP diesel or gas PowerBoss units come standard with a Kubota engine. These are what we think is the best engine on the market. A ton of power, super efficient, largest warranty on the market as well. PowerBoss uses an Eaton hydraulic pump on this machine, as well as all Parker no-leak hydraulic fittings. Some of the top-of-line stuff they use on the Nautilus, as well as the Nautilus Hi Dump. This machine that we're looking at today is, again, the Hi Dump version, which has a integrated hopper in the machine, which allows the operator to sweep and scrub in a single pass. The machine will raise the hopper up to 60 inches to go over a standard dumpster, and allowing the operator to get rid of any debris in the debris tray without it. So with the Hi Dump hopper, the machine comes standard with a stainless steel scrub deck. This is important for any kind of heavy-duty corrosive applications. So the scrub deck, the brush deck doors, everything in this area is stainless steel. If you're ever in like a beverage plant or maybe somewhere that's making beer or wine, the scrub deck is the area that corrodes the fastest when it's made out of cast aluminum or whatever else. It's any other kind of metal. But stainless steel does a great job of standing up in those environments. The Nautilus, as well as the Nautilus HD, come standard with the stainless steel scrub deck. Super important if we're talking about longevity of a scrubber. Over time, that scrub deck corrodes, and it's a very expensive repair. That the competitor's machine, they use plastic and steel in that area. Nice feature on the PowerBoss unit. With that, we'll cover thermal green technology. So this is PowerBoss's chemical-free cleaning. You can also use it in addition to your chemical. But what's happening is that the unit's taking solution from the 90-gallon solution tank and running it through a over the catalytic converter through a heat exchanger, and it's going to heat the water from somewhere between 100 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. What that does for any kind of grease and oil on the floor, it's just like washing your dishes, or if you're trying to clean bacon grease out of a pan, you'll use extremely hot water in that application rather than cold. So when we heat that water up, it does a great job of cutting through oils and greases or any kind of debris or anything that's on the floor. Again, so 90-gallon capacity here on the Hi Dump version. On the low dump version, we get a little more capacity. It's 105 gallons on both of our solution and recovery tank, making this machine, as well as the low dump version, the most longest run time, on a single tank of solution. Look at the operator's area here. As we can see, the units, you can open up the unit, and serviceability is great. Access to battery and any of the controllers and the coolant reservoir, as well as the radiator. But if you can get your camera on this area here, we've got our one-touch scrub. So basically what we're going to do is activate the squeegee and the main brushes, and when the operator is ready to scrub, he'll simply hit the green button, and it's going to turn on vacuum, water, brushes, the whole 9 yards. These switches here are for our Hi Dump controls, so we raise and lower the hopper and open and close the clamshell design there. Headlights, brush pressure, water level, that's the amount of water we're putting down on the floor. And the machine has options like onboard soap systems. If we look underneath the steering wheel here, this temperature gauge is measuring the temperature of the water getting applied to the brush deck. So this is that thermal green technology. It's always on. It's not something you need to activate. It's not something that you can't run in addition to chemical. You can run the hot water with soap, and it'll clean even better than it would, with hot water alone. PowerBoss been around for a long time. They make some of the best, most heavy-duty cleaning equipment in the industry. Click the link below for more information on the PowerBoss Nautilus. If you got questions, give us a call.